In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Steam game updates. Whether you're looking to save bandwidth, prevent interruptions during gameplay, or simply regain a bit more control over your updates, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and take you step by step through the process. First, you'll want to have your Steam client open and ready to go. On the main interface, which is typically the Steam Store homepage, look towards the top left corner. Here, you'll find a small Steam icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, you need to select Settings. Clicking on Settings will open a new window where you can adjust various Steam preferences. This is where we'll configure the update settings to suit our needs. In the Settings window, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of categories. What you're going to do next is click on Downloads. This category is where all the options related to game downloads and updates are located. Once you're in the Downloads section, you'll see an option that pertains specifically to game updates. It's here that you can manage how updates are applied to your installed games. This part is crucial because it allows you to control the behavior of game updates. Now, you need to click on the specific Updates section for your installed games. This will enable you to stop automatic updates and manually decide when you want them to occur. Remember, this can be particularly useful if you want to avoid updates that might occur during peak internet usage times or when you're in the middle of a gaming session. And while you're here, there's an additional feature you might find useful. You can set up scheduled auto updates. This allows you to choose specific times when updates can occur, such as during nighttime hours when you're not actively using your computer. It's a handy tool to ensure that your updates happen on your terms without causing disruptions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can take back control over how and when your Steam games update. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in managing your gaming experience and your internet bandwidth. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your games in check. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Happy gaming!